Okay, so welcome to my channel, Graphic Art. So in this tutorial, guys, I'm going to show you how you can create this Ink Grunges logo. So without wasting time, let's get started. Okay, so let's open the Inkscape, and I will just make a just go to File and Document Properties. Display is to pixels. Now turn on the page border. Okay, and now just open the fill and stroke menu and alignment distribution menu from this panel here. Now just type, I will type out I. You can use any font. Actually I will type a capital I. You can use any font. I am using this one. Make sure you end up like with this straight line like this, so that's why I've used I. Now I will go to path, object to path, path effects, and add path effects. Now I will go to scroll down and hatches, rough. Okay, so now I will take the edit path by node tool, and I will take this here. Let me zoom in and show you. Okay, let me I will take this square handle and I will just place it right here. I will leave gaps in between the hatches, so because I will increase the thickness of this, I will go in the drop down menu, generate thick thin paths from second to first side, make it 10. Okay, and make it 5 like this. I will zoom out. Now copy it, choose the pencil tool, smoothness 100%, and in shape you have to select from clipboard. Now make a large circle. You don't have to be accurate, just make a rough circle like this and like this. Okay, okay, like this. Now I will just take this nodes tool again, and here I will take this handle and like this. I will, okay, this is good. Now I will just delete this. I will delete it, and now what I will do, I will just zoom out and I will just rotate it like this, and I will go to path, object to path. I will take the eraser tool now, and I will just delete these grunges here. Like this. Now I will just go to the text tool and I will type capital M, and I will choose the font, this one, Winner Hand IDC. This font I will choose for this tutorial. I will just increase its size a little bit less. Okay, right here. I will take the eraser tool again, and now I will just delete these grunges here. I will select this, and now I will take the eraser tool I will just zoom in. Okay, so I will now tap W in the same phone. I've used this one, Bin in Hand ITC, and I will just make it bigger. I will place it here. Now I will just click on this path, objective path union. Like this. Now I will duplicate it. I will just duplicate this and I will make it yellow. Like this. One step down. Okay, I will duplicate this black one again and I will now make it green and I will make it one step down like this. I will take the black one now and I will make it 70% gray. Okay, so guys, in this like this you can make this factory logo. Encourages here. So I have liked the video. If you like it, please like and subscribe to my channel, and till then, have a good day and see ya.